भारताची एकुलती एक कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स टेबल टेनिस गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट तसेच ITTF ब्रेक थ्रू अवॉर्ड विनर मनिका बत्रा आता टोकियो 2020 ऑलिम्पिक्साचे तयारेक लागल्या. तेन्ना गोंयांत सुद्दां आयले कडेन मनिकान टायम वेस्ट करनासतना प्रॅक्टीस केली. नेमान 6-7 वरां सराव, पुराय डिसिप्लिनान घेतिल्लो डायट आनी पालकांचो म्हत्वाचो तेंको आनी हेर प्रश्नांचेर मनिकान भुरग्यां कडेन गजाली केल्यो.
Started when I was 4 years old, and yeah, so I started at that time. I didn't knew that I will win a Commonwealth gold medal, but I was focused and I was like dedicated that I have to do something for my country. So you all should do that. You should not just play. Do like think something that I will win, or you have the same number I saw. So I think you should like have a goal that I'll perform well for India in these tournaments. So when I played Commonwealth Games, before that I didn't know that I will win 4 medals for country. But after winning, that moment is really special when you stand on the podium and that national anthem, everyone is cheering for you. So I think if you keep that goal in your mind, then you can achieve something, like you can be successful in life. Many times this happened with me, like in nationals only, I was 3-0 down, not the points, but I was 3-0 down. Then I thought it's not over. If I win 4 more games, then I'm the winner. I start playing on the table like 3 to 4 hours.
On the table in the morning?
Yes. Then after that I do some you can say fitness for my core or my legs. Play again for 3-4 hours, and I do fitness, like I do gymming 7 to 7.
Anyone of you will do 7 hours?
I would like to say to their parents also, if they are dedicated, then their kids will be more dedicated.
प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी.